Hi guys, it's me, Corey. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make 4 different ways how to make a sushi easy. Let's get started. As you can see, I have my beautiful sushi here. Look at this. Mmm. Yum yum. Looks a little bit messy but still good, right? Okay, next. The ingredients for sushi are carrots, cucumber, chili, and celery. Sausage and smoked beef are sliced in half. You can slice the smoked beef like this. If you like it, you can grill in the hot frying pan for a while. Put the carrots, celery, chilies in hot pan and mix them up with a little bit oil. Here I boil the sausage, but you can fry the sausage, just up to you. Get the rice ready. I put in rice some salt and some olive oil and mix everything up. Put the rice on the seaweed. And after that, put the cucumber in the middle over the rice. And try rolling slowly. I hope you all enjoy my tutorial how to make sushi. Thank you very much.